Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are on our first track day today and we're at Gaston track. We're here at 7:30. What time did we get up?
My alarm went off at 5:15, guys. Okay.
I've had like 3 hours sleep, but we're taking the Evo on track. We're at Gaston track and all these people, I think a lot of these people are going to be going out on track.
Yeah, all this.
But there's Jamie down there, who obviously is gassed on track, or he is officially gassed. Jamie, there's his Porsche, we're heading that way. But yeah, we are taking the Evo on the national circuit of Silverstone today. How crazy is that? So we're going to go get signed on, then we've got to get the car ready, drivers meetings, and then we go on in about an hour and a half. And I can't believe we're doing this. This is going to be
like,
so
this is
cool.
like childhood dreams.
So
okay, like I've been here to watch a Grand Prix, and now I'm actually going to be on the track that Lewis Hamilton and George Russell have been on. Okay.
So we're going to get signed on, and yeah, hopefully stay tuned for the action, guys. You're going to enjoy it as we take the Evo round its first track day. Lovely, stunning Evo, isn't it? Why is the light is awful? Hang on. There we go. We're gonna look around, but we're going to do another video which is going to be all the like main content of the show. So this video is going to be purely based off the track stuff, but we've got a lot of cars rolling in for, I'm assuming, track days. There also is going to be drifting going on, so some of these guys are going to be, you know, we've got some proper race teams turned up, so you know, we're just basic right now, but yeah, we're just taking it all in. The fact that in an hour and a half, Sammy, we're going to be going around Silverstone. It's not the full track, but
no, national circuit.
The national circuit is savage. So yeah, we're waiting to sign on, and we've got a briefing and stuff. But yeah, we can have a little look around, so I can show you some of the stuff, especially before other people get here. We can show you some of the other cars that are going to be going around the track as well with us. So if I'd quickly show you this is a R35 GTR swapped into a Evo, pretty much, running 1062 brake wheel horsepower, and potentially, well, it will be up for sale at some point in the future with Appreciating Classics. So keep an eye on their website if you fancy buying this car, because it will be up for sale. It's got 10 modes of boost. So yeah, Appreciating Classics. They're actually based around Norfolk as well. These guys do amazing work. So if you fancy an R35 GTR engine in an Evo, then go check those guys out. So like I say, guys, we're just having a quick look round at other cars that are going to be going out on track and that sort of stuff. And this little bad boy is here. So what is this? Is this a F what, Sammy? F.
It's an F1 car.
It is an F1.
Yeah, but this will be, I don't know, 2009.
So what is it?
This is V12. This has a V12 engine.
Is it W12? 2V6. Is that what you know?
Well, yeah, kind of. Yeah, but well, that's like what. That's what Mercedes do.
Yeah. So. Yeah, basically, yeah, they're going to have some F1 cars actually going on track today. There's another one in there as well. Yeah. So I think when we're off track, these guys will be on track. So
you've got the camera.
Yeah, amazing stuff.
Oh wow, this is sick.
Morning.
Morning. This is insane.
So say what was it again?
So this is Michael Schumacher's first car. Michael Schumacher.
Oh, there we go.
So this is what he started out with in Formula 1. Got
pretty cool story.
Also got Renault, I don't know, early 2000s.
Wow.
Rental.
There's going to be some history stuff. So it's quite nice as well, because we're in early, because we're going on track. We're in before everyone else, and we can get up close and have a look around, because this area later is going to be heaving, isn't it?
Yeah.
So there's the man himself, Jamie. This is obviously his 911 Turbo S, and he's just had that dynoed over 1,000 wheel horsepower. So if you've not seen it, go watch his latest video on this. It's amazing, absolute stunning build. So yeah, absolute stunning car. We knew it was going to be here today. Obviously, he's going to be showing it off because it's his show, and yeah, there's a lot of stuff going on. There's a lot more people turning up, so we better start having a look at getting the Evo kind of ready to go on track. And yeah, it's exciting. It's just a bit weird to think like, all right, we're here early and stuff, but actually we're going to be going on track, which is kind of the thing that's a little bit nerve-wracking. Is this actually happening?
Honestly, it's mental.
We are signed on.
We've got all the official stuff. Number
87. Get that stuck on the car. Final checks, and then we're going out for the first session. Honestly, guys, some people are already out there. I'll probably, to be fair,
just get a feel for the track.
I'll set the camera up later. I just need to get used to the track.
Yeah,
I've never done the track day, and also we're going around part of Silverstone, so it's pretty epic.
Yeah.
So we're going to head over, get the car fully checked over once more, and then we'll be heading out. Well, guys, that was eventful, wasn't it?
Very.
It was quite.
A whole other world,
yeah, it's a whole other world. So we nearly got wiped out by a Saxo who overtook me on a corner when we all got told you aren't allowed to overtake on corners.
Yeah.
So he nearly went into Sammy's door.
Yeah.
Luckily, I saw him slam my brakes on and went to the right. So that avoided that. That was fun. Also, a bit of brake judder. So I've realised if I want to do more track days, more power is not what I need.
No.
The next thing would be bigger brakes, like Alcon's, a bigger brake kit for the power I've got. And these guys are crazy. Like I think a lot of people are running a manual.
Yeah, yeah.
No, automatic. So people are running autos, and I'm in manual, and it's so hard to know. People have got roll cages. They've got like semi slicks or full slicks.
This is just
like
next level shit.
Yeah, these are next level guys. Like you know, so it's really good, but it's a bit stressful. We went out for the first one and came in, had a bit of brake judder. And we're just having a break, and we went back out again, and we're having a break now. We're gonna have a little look round, but like I say, the videos I'll show you of looking round will be in the next video that I do. Will be separate to this one. So as we go out on track again, we'll be putting the camera up so we can show you some track day action. What's cracking, guys? So it is the next day after the track day at Gaston Track, and I wanted to do this little clip here to finish the video off, to just go through everything that I went through on the day. So first thing is, the Evo was amazing. That's what I'm going to say to start with. It's an amazing track car. Now, I was on track with some insane drivers, guys, seriously. M4s, M3s, M2s, proper racing cars, 911 Turbo S, R35 GTRs, you know, there were some amazing cars and they were built for track, and the drivers were insane. They were levels above me. And what I'm going to say is, I'm not a racing driver, and some of these guys were. So I got speaking to a guy in 911 Turbo S, and he was a racing driver, and it showed on the track, obviously. And there was also a lad who was in the R35 GTR. He actually, I think, just turned pro from Time Attack after winning the amateur championships. And I kind of threw myself in at the deep end. And I'm not going to lie, guys, it was quite an emotional day. There was a lot of adrenaline flying around. First ever track day, in my pride and joy, and I decided to go around Silverstone. You know, it was an amazing day, but it was such an experience. If I wanted to do more in the Evo, what would I need? I'd need a bigger brake kit, and I'd probably want a bit more power. But let me say this, that won't make me into Lewis Hamilton. I'm going to tell you that now. I have a lot of learning to do if I want to do more track stuff. And like I say, it was my first day, and I'm going to put my hands up and say I was probably one of, if not the worst drivers on the day. And I'll openly admit that because it was my first time doing it. But I had so much fun. I want to say a massive thank you to Sammy for her support. She watches F1. She knows Silverstone like the back of her hand, so she was a massive you know, support network and massive help with going around the track and getting to know the track and the lines. And as the day went on, my confidence grew and experience grew. And also I was able to watch the other guys as I was going around track with them, watching them with their lines and when they were braking, and I learned a lot actually from them just in that 3 hour short space of time of actually doing the track day. But also, a lot of the guys were really helpful as well in the pit lanes after we'd come off and having a break and stuff. We had the first session and we had a break. A lot of them were talking to me, being like, I can't believe you're taking your pride and joy or the Evo around track, but it's really good to see because it's an amazing track car. And they were like giving me hints and tips and just said, you know, take your time, don't rush, and don't try and keep up with all of the other guys, because you know they've got some 600, 700, 800, 900, I think it was even a couple of 1,000 horsepower built cars out there. So amazing cars compared to my 400 brake horsepower Evo. But like I say, bigger brakes would be needed and more power, but it wouldn't turn me into Lewis Hamilton. I would have a lot of learning to do. So I would highly recommend it. Definitely, it's an amazing experience. There was a lot of adrenaline, so much so that I got home, and from having 3 hours sleep the night before because I couldn't sleep, I got home, had a takeaway with the missus, and then I fell asleep on the couch about 9:30, and I don't remember her telling me that she was saying I'm going to bed, and I woke up at 4:30 in the morning. I went upstairs, got into bed, and I didn't come down the next day till 9 o'clock in the morning. I had about 12 hours sleep, which I never get, so I was so adrenaline high and, you know, just jacked up on it that when I got home and ate, I just crashed, guys. But it was an amazing experience. So if you're thinking of doing a track day, I'd highly recommend it. If you love your car that much, maybe don't do what I done and jump into like a big track day like Silverstone. Find a local track. You know, we've got Snetterton near us. I think you Cadwell Park. Find a smaller local track. Go to an evening track day. You know, an evening track day, night, whatever you want to call it. 2 or 3 hours. 99 quid usually, roughly, for most of them. Go around, blast your car around and see if you enjoy it. And all I'm going to say as well, guys, is subscribe to the channel, because there could be some bigger things coming for the channel in terms of track day stuff that me and Sammy might have lined up. So as always, like, comment, share, subscribe, keep supporting the channel. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video, and remember the next one is going to be the show cars and the show stuff of Gaston Track, because there was a lot of show cars and stuff going on as well, and some drifting. So that's going to be the next video. But as I say, guys, please keep supporting the channel. Let's get to 1,000 subs. Let's get me there. Let's support the channel. Really would appreciate your support for it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. But until next time, like, comment, share, subscribe, all the good stuff, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Peace out.